In this part, we are going to add the Firebase as our backend, so we have to go to the Firebase website and go to click on the Add Project, and then we type WhatsApp clone, and then click Continue, and then we disable the Google Analytics for this project and click Create Project, and then we click Continue, and then we go to select the web. And again, we have to add the nickname for the app, so we just type WhatsApp clone, and then we click register app. And then it said we have to add the Firebase package, and we have to copy this as our Firebase config file. So we copy this and continue to the console. And then we type yarn add Firebase to add the Firebase package, and at the same time we go to the root folders, and then we click new file, and then we type firebase.js, and inside the file we paste the code that we just copied from the website. And then after the initialize app, we create a DB by typing constant DB is equal to get firestore, and constant of is equal to get off, and constant provider is equal to new Google of provider. And at last, we have to export the DB of and also the provider. And after we import the package, we can now go to import the get firestore, and then we have to import the get firestore from Firebase Firestore, and we also have to import the get off and also the Google of provider from Firebase off. Now we already complete the importing file.